Isotopes are atoms that have the same number of protons in their nucleus but a different number of neutrons. Most isotopes have a stable nucleus as the strong nuclear force balances out the proton's repulsive force. However, some isotopes have an unstable nucleus as the different number of neutrons impairs the strong nuclear force. These are called radioisotopes. Their nucleus decays, which results in the giving off of alpha, beta, or gamma radiation and the formation of new atoms. Americium-241 is a radioisotope that gives off alpha radiation and a byproduct of gamma radiation. In alpha radiation, alpha particles are emitted, which are made up of 2 neutrons and 2 protons, meaning they are positively charged. As alpha particles are heavy, they move through the air slowly at 20,000 km per second and only travel several centimeters. They are stopped by a sheet of paper and human skin. On the other hand, gamma radiation does not emit particles, instead gamma rays, which are electromagnetic waves. They have no mass and travel at 300,000 km per second, which means they easily penetrate materials. It takes a centimeter of lead or a meter of concrete to stop them, meaning they are able to pass through the body. Americium-241 is used in ionization smoke detectors. The detector consists of an ionization chamber, which contains 2 plates, one with a positive voltage and one with a negative voltage, and 1/5000th of a gram of Americium-241. The alpha radiation given off by the Americium-241 removes an electron from each atom in the air of the chamber. This results in each atom becoming positively charged and 3 negatively charged electrons. The positive ions move towards the plate with the negative voltage, and the negative electrons move towards the plate with the positive voltage. The chamber monitors the electrical current generated by this movement of ions and electrons. When smoke particles enter the chamber, they attach themselves to the ions, making them become neutral. As there are no more ions, only electrons move between the plates, causing the electrical current to decrease. The chamber detects this change and the alarm is set off. Ionization smoke detectors that use Americium-241 are less expensive to buy and install than the other type of smoke detector, photoelectric. They are also set off by a smaller amount of smoke, and therefore are more likely to warn people of a fire before it is too late. Americium-241 has a half-life of 432.2 years, which means the detector will work effectively for decades. After breathing in or swallowing Americium-241, it builds up in bones, muscles, and the liver. The alpha radiation and gamma radiation that is given off causes damage to cells, which could result in cancer. As it has a long half-life, it stays in the body for an extended period of time, which increases the severity of the exposure. However, the alpha radiation does not escape the chamber, and as the gamma radiation is only a byproduct, its dosage is very small. Therefore, the Americium-241 only poses a threat if the detector is dismantled or burnt. The role Americium-241 plays in protecting lives and properties from fires is significantly more notable than the health risks it presents in certain conditions.